17.93. Yes, now the blink rate is excellent. This is a good charging sign. Before this, one full blink, then dim, dim, and then blink. But now the blinks are good. 17.93. Yes, fantastic. Now it is charging. DeWALT DCB115 20 volt battery charger, 115 volt operated, not charging the battery properly. We can see its blinks that are back charging blinks that are not regular blinks. After 1 hour, the battery is still at the same voltage. (17.91), and after 1 hour the same voltage. So it is not charging the battery. It is detecting the battery, but its charging cycle is not good. Let's troubleshoot it and fix it. If you don't have good experience in electronics, never try to repair, because here are unisolated live voltage. Take care for the safety. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am your host Muhammad Ashraf, and I welcome you on my YouTube channel. Let's fix this DCB115 battery charger. Second battery pack, same condition. Irregular blinks. Let's fix it. T15 screwdriver bit. Never touch any component when power is connected or power is removed until we verify voltage on its bulk capacitor, smoothing capacitor. That is this capacitor. DC voltage, still we have 68 volt. I will discharge it. Yes, its capacitor is bulged. I will replace this capacitor. Okay, let's connect this capacitor in the circuit and then I will replace it. First we will see its live response. Here are 132 volts. The voltage are varying. This capacitor is problematic. There is reboot. Input 115 volt. 115 multiply with 1.414, 162 volt must be there on this capacitor. This problem due to this capacitor. It is not holding the charge. Now I will replace this capacitor. 200 volt, 220 microfarad. It is same value capacitor, 220 microfarad, 250 volts. Great. Slightly oversized. This capacitor is small in size, in length. Its diameter is more than this one. So problem in fitting. Same value capacitor with same size. DC voltage. Now the voltage are maintained. Before this here was fluctuation, but now the voltage are stable. Input 115 volt. DC voltage 168. Let's check it. The 17.93. Yes, now the blink rate is excellent. This is a good charging sign. Before this, one full blink, then dim, dim, and then blink. But now the blinks are good. 17.93. Yes, now it is charging. 18.04. Perfect. Before this 17.91, and after 1 hour charging the same 17.91, but now 17.91 is changed to 18.08. Now we will close it. If you enjoyed this process, give a thumb up. If you visited my channel first time and you have not subscribed until now, subscribe it. Great. If you enjoyed this repair, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.